Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Apple ID is signed in and that location services are enabled. This ensures your device can share location. Once done, open the Find My app and go straight to the People tab. Tap Share My Location to start the process, then choose a contact from recent people or enter a phone number or email. Make sure to choose Share for 1 hour, until end of day, or Share indefinitely before sending. Now you select who to share with and why, tap a contact or type a number or email. This controls where updates go. Once selected, choose how long to share, 1 hour until the end of the day or indefinitely, because different situations need different timeframes. After that, tap Send and grant any system permission prompts that appear. This finalizes the share invitation. Make sure the recipient accepts. Location won't appear until they confirm. Finish by confirming the recipient appears in your people list and that live location updates are visible. You can tap their name for more options. If needed, pause or stop sharing from their contact card or enable notifications for location changes. If sharing fails, check location services and Find My are still on, then sign out and back into iCloud. This often resolves syncing issues. Finally, restart your iPhone as a last step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.